People change. Where we begin. And nobody's owning them or.
Nah, they won't.
Oh, yeah.
Buffalo. Yeah, my friend. What's up? We're going Waterfall. Maybe up there somewhere. I don't know.
Stand up right around, man. Stand up right around.
Let's take a photo.
Film by baby and then you follow with baby bigger one long it happened long time ago. Right, man, right. Yeah, I'm a bogey, yeah, but I don't know if I'm up to him or you like it.
I like go.
Oh, got him right. I'm being a smoke.
I just took my hand.
Do you ever have crocs? Is any crocs around here?
They're all friendly, yeah.
Freshies?
Yeah.
Yep.
They're all friendly. They just
Okay.
roam around eating all the barrow.
Yeah, right.
So it's kind of shallow. You can see the barrows around.
Right, right.
You can see those eating overnight turtles.
Oh,
There was a big long neck here.
look at these old rocks.
There was a big dominant bull.
Yeah. Yeah, we saw a lot of buffalo coming here. Ah, beautiful.
So if they want to have a swim, this is the area they can have a swim.
Yep.
Around here, back over there.
And safe here, eh?
Yes.
Yep.
What is after there? Man?
Yep.
Oh! Yawari! Come back, DJ! Come here, Dalima, come here, Batam! Hurry up, run! Yeah, that's friendly crocodile, you're right. But I'm not. From here and back there, I'm going to swim. DJ, yeah, fishing from here, all the way to here. People organize fishing.
Yeah.
Can we go see the waterfall around?
You know, we in Beswick. Where is
Hey boys, just watch them when you put them rock.
yeah, with a mimic thing here. Beswick with a waterfall area. That's my bear.
Let him go to Delhi.
No, leopard.
Nah.
Lampu. Like spear mara jai.
Ala limbu pala.
Hollow one, so. Malalohan, but this guy never make a bamboo all time. They make a coffin do out of coffin. All right, then boys, let's go.
We're just looking. Oh, maybe we'll follow Travis. Yeah, we'll see. Not sure. Make sure you're following Travis, guys. Alright, don't go any different path or anything, just follow him.
And you two need to follow us.
Yeah, that's right.
Hold the camera.
Just watch where you're going. I'll go at the back, it's alright. Soon, soon.
Oh, 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 that's the eagle. Look, look, look.
Where?
Eagle, eagle. Dora, Dora. Eagle caught in real life. In Australia. There was an eagle in Kalkaringi School.
Oh yeah?
We just had yeah, we had Beswick Waterfall.
Yeah.
We just swimming. We go on the Waterfall area. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
My name is Blake. I'm here at this lake. Oh, I'm just like right out of myself. There, तुम्हारी learns map. I got thing map there, Neil. Yeah, we are. I got rainbow serpent hole. See you. Look there. The boys there. Boys. Run. Tell him. Look there, you can see that. We are in Beswick. I mean not Beswick. Beswick na. I mean yeah, Beswick, but like bush. The boys there him up.
Wait, I'll ask Travis the name of this place.
Correct to Bastum. Rainbow serpent, we past that area there.
Slow down, Lawrence. Take your time. Careful. Oh, where did you find them? Yeah.
Having fun.
Don't stand on them.
And Mr. looking fun. Thing headlight.
Yeah.
And hooks. And beef.
See, I told you it's slippery.
Yeah lah.
Right there.
Mimi nak captain Mimi yang old time. Dia one dok.
Don't go too far aside, boys.
Makin kada je Mimi ngajak. They looking alright now, what visible.
I never heard of Mimi. Do we have Mimi at Kalkaringi? Somewhere? Oh. Mimi.
We used to stole a lot of kids. We're going back Beswick now. We're not as courageous. Mr. Steve on his phone, texting his girlfriend. Let's go, him up. And down, Morgan. There. Nah, nothing.
Hello, jadi ni lupa buka.
Give it.
Young up, they starting a fight. 15, what you eating?
Ano yung line? Side eyes. Okay, we're getting ready to leave now. Going Mataranka.
Back to school to get the...
We're going Mataranka. We gotta leave that bus there. Wugularr.
And we gotta go to
I'm not looking
Mataranka
after you.
Springs.
Could be in here.